Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Cammy, you want to open another present? Actually, let's open. Here you go, Cammy. This is from Grandma and Grandpa Hill. It's okay. It's not going anywhere.
Grumpy Morning. Is that a book about Mom?
Yeah, no, this is a book about
Mom and Casey?
No, it's a book about horse animals.
And they're grumpy in the morning, like Mom and Casey. Cammy and Dad are pretty happy in the morning.
All right. Who gave this book to you, Casey?
Me,
Oh.
I made it. Grandma.
Oh, you wrapped it up for yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
What?
Here you go.
Who did give it to her? Oh, really?
My grandma gave it to me.
Oh, okay.
Cameras, you need help?
Get it? Here, Cammy. We'll get that one later.
He wants to play with the toy she already has.
Here, Cammy. Open this present.
This is another watch.
Another watch.
It says which time it is not. It's not like this watch. No.
Is that Tokyo time or something?
Yeah. Like, see?
It's
Yeah.
a digital watch.
Yeah,
Should we slap it
digital.
on your other wrist?
Yeah.
Well, Cammy likes the dinosaur, whoever got that.
Grandma and Grandpa Johnson. ABCs?
Because I put the pink one.
Oh, well, it's all wrapped up. Here you go, Casey. This one's to you. Here, Cammy. This one's to you. Okay, and then put right here. Good job, dinosaur. What is that, Casey?
It's a camera.
You got a camera?
Is that a camera?
Yeah.
What do you need to tell Grandma and Grandpa Johnson?
Did you want Grandpa Johnson?
Look, Cammy. PJs. PJs.
Cameras, keep open. You got more presents, honey.
Wow, what do you say? Cammy, from Aunt Sarah, Uncle Justin. That's pretty cool, huh, Casey? We'll have to play with that after we open. That's for both Casey and Cammy and Mom, actually. But this one's to Casey and Cammy, and you can open it. Here, Cammy, open this one.
She just wants to play with the dinosaur.
Okay, turn it on.
Whoa, it's a big present, Mom.
It is.
It's Cinderella.
Yeah.
It's Cinderella.
Look, it's two puzzles. This puzzle and this puzzle.
Hey, Mommy, Cinderella lets this win. And now her is her friend and her is her friend.
Yep, open it up, Cammy. Yeah, now they're all friends, huh? The princesses are all friends. Holy moly.
What's this in there?
What is it? Show me, cameras.
Show Daddy, what is that? It's a stamping kit.
Oh, wow. I bet you Uncle Justin picked that out.
To Cammy and Sarah Jared and Uncle Justin. Woo. That's a lot of fun. This dinosaur sings though.
Mom, these all have pins.
I see a couple more presents.
Yep. Okay, this one's for Casey and Cammy. Let's open it together.
Who's it from?
It's from you and me. Help out, Cammy. What is it?
Horsey.
Yeah.
It's waiting. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it's horses.
Oh, Mommy, I have this kind at daycare.
You have them at daycare? Are they fun to play with? Yeah? Okay, one more thing, girls. Oh, yeah.
Yep, I see it, honey. Don't forget the other side.
One more thing.
Hey, girls.
Ready? The blanket is mine. That's one of Mama's baby blankets. And then here's a dress. Whoa, Cammy.
Gentle cameras.
Hold on. Here's a dress for Cammy. And Cammy, what does it have on it? What is this? Well,
Well, Cammy, what's on the dress?
Here's
No, what's on the dress, Captain?
a dog. What does the dog say?
And this is mine.
And this one's for Casey.
Cammy, is that a puppy on your dress? Is that a puppy? Cameras. You say thank you?
That's all.
Ray.
Casey, let me see this on you. Oh, that is pretty. That's cute.
Is that it? All done?
But why did the present right there?
That's Mama's.
The rest are Mom and Dad's.
Okay, girls. Say thank you, Casey.
Look at the camera.
Cammy,
Look at Daddy.
Thank you.
What do
say
you
thank you.
Thank you.
Say love you. Look at Daddy. Say love you. Look at Dad. Look at Dad.
Love you.
Blow him kisses. Blow him kisses.
Roll camera.
Blow the camera kisses.
Roll me kisses. There you go. Okay, bye-bye.